Hey there. In this video, I'm going to show you real quick on how to install the WooCommerce PayPerPost plugin. To get started, we're going to go into the plugin section, and having WooCommerce installed is a requirement. So please ensure that you do have WooCommerce installed. When you do, then you can click the Add New button, and you can just search PayPerPost. PayPerPost. And you can click the Install Now button on the PayPerPost plugin. And once that is installed, you're going to go ahead and activate it. And once you activate it, it's going to pop up with this screen. Now, by design, we don't receive any usage data on plugin users from the WordPress.org repository. This allows us to stay, true to the spirit of WordPress and respect all the users' privacies. However, this also means that we do not have information on how many users use the PayPerPost plugin, and it makes it harder for us to determine who needs what and how to improve the plugin. So when you activate the plugin, if you could do me a favor and simply opt in by clicking Allow and Continue, this makes it so that way it'll send us non-sensitive diagnostic tracking information. If you click skip, nothing, there's no penalties or anything like that. We just won't get usage information. So if you would, go ahead and click Allow and Continue. And as soon as you do that, you'll see a little alert message, and it's going to send you out a activation email for your opt-in to whatever email address that you were logged into with. And you'll see once you install and activate the plugin, you get directed right to the What's New page. Get the change log that's updated with each release, tells you all the new updates and features that we added in, some good stuff. After you have the plugin installed, the one setting in WooCommerce that you need to make sure is unchecked is in the Accounts and Privacy section. We want to uncheck Allow customers to place orders without an account. We require all users to check out and have a actual user account. We do this so that way we can accurately track who has purchased what product, and that way it's like a record in a database as opposed to being stored in a cookie or a session. So then if a user wants to log in from their iPad or their iPhone or their Android device to view content that they purchased, they can do that and not be prompted to pay again. Once you do that, you are pretty much set up and ready to go. You can go ahead and create a new post or edit an existing post, and you're going to see this WooCommerce PayPerPost like meta box down here. And all you need to do is search for a product. In here, you can type in whatever product that you want the user to have to purchase in order to have access to this content and publish it. And that's it. I will go into more details in other videos on how to protect each page and go into all the details about the settings of the WooCommerce PayPerPost plugin. So thanks a lot, and hope you enjoy the plugin.